We are living in a world where everything moves faster than ever. Therefore, finding calmness is not just a luxury but a necessity. When we have a clear mind, this enables us to make better decisions, and it also makes us to have this feeling that we are in charge, and this makes us to live with greater purpose. Today, I am going to be sharing with you proven strategies to cultivate calmness and to achieve mental clarity. Strategy 1: the power of intentional breathing. Deep intentional breathing signals the brain to relax. I want you to really try this. Breathe in for 4 counts: one, two, three, and 4. And seize your breath for 4 counts: one, two, three, and 4. And breathe out for 4 counts: one, two, three, and 4. And I want you to repeat this process again. And this simple technique that you've just done, you will see that the result is amazing, because this will immediately reset your mind. Strategy 2: journalizing for mental clarity. Overthinking have occupied your mind with too many things, and these have made your mind to be unkept and untidy. And the only way out of this mess is for you to write down your thoughts, and this will enable you to process your emotions, clear confusion, and refocus on what is truly important. You must not start big. It is small, small. And that is why, even if it is a few sentences a day, it can make space for clarity. Strategy 3: digital detox for inner peace. Constant notifications and endless scrolling from our phones makes our minds to be overstimulated. Therefore, I want you to set boundaries by taking breaks. Turn off notifications that are not really important, and embrace a moment of silence. And trust me, if you do this, your mind is going to tell you, thank you. Strategy 4: meditation and mindfulness. Meditation is not about emptying the mind, but rather it is about observing thoughts without attachments. You must not start big. It is small, small. And that is why even 5 minutes a day can lower stress, improve focus, and bring clarity. Strategy 5: movement for mental freshness. Physical movement, let me tell you, like walking, jogging, yoga, stretching, dancing, this act releases mental tension. When the body moves, the mind follows. Let me tell you, I do this on a daily basis, and I have seen the result, how it works. It is wonderful and unbelievable. Therefore, I want to use this opportunity to really encourage you to take movement as a daily habit for better clarity. Strategy 6: the act of slow living. I want you to note that rushing through life only adds to stress. I really want to encourage you to practice slow living, because this will enable you to enjoy your meals, appreciate conversations, and be fully present in each moment. Do not forget that a lower pace creates room for true clarity. Finally, I really want you to press this in your heart or mind, that calmness is not really something you find, but rather calmness is something that you cultivate. By practicing the 6 strategies, you'll be able to create a mind that is clear, focused, and at peace. Therefore, I really want to encourage you to start today, one breath at a time. Do not forget to watch my previous videos for self-growth and motivation. Do not forget to give this video a like, subscribe for more content, share this video with your friends and loved ones to spread the knowledge that I've shared in this video. And I want you to cultivate calmness, live with clarity, and I will see you in my next video.